एबीपी साझा जोश जज्बा जुनून।
See the signaling that goes firstly, when I come to Dras, now I'm in the threshold of entering into Ladakh, at the Zojila Pass. For me, emotions run very high. I go back 22 years when I went, on this path, and I didn't know what is in store with me, store ahead for me. And what was ahead for me, was an absolute challenge. But it's thanks to the, brave soldier of the Indian Army who sort of stood up to the challenges and produced the results. Uh, Taking this right with all three co-commanders, the message that goes across, is that wherever there is teamwork, there is success. So that is the message I want to send across. And here we have all the three commanders. They led the respective legs of the Dhruva Kargil ride. Right from the Karakorams, right to the in the north, to Naushera in the south, and now, on this last leg, we will be reaching the Kargil Dras War Memorial.
Sir, one question. Since you and your team were riding from Srinagar Street to Sumbal Sonawari, touching Ganderbal, and in between you were being greeted by the locals and the tricolor fluttering, what does it mean for Indian Army?
What it means for the Indian Army is that peace and tranquility is now there in the hinterland in Jammu and Kashmir. The kind of love and affection we got, the entire ride got, wherever we halted, right from Huzur to Srinagar to what is the place?
Sumbal Sonawari.
To Sumbal Sonawari. The way the children, they waved the flags, they clapped for us, and the way they performed for us was absolutely amazing. And it gives me a sense of definite peace and tranquility which is there now prevailing. The youth is looking for peace and tranquility, go ahead and live on with their lives.
एबीपी साझा जोश जज्बा जुनून।